same person, Simon Ekpa, came out, give him 100% support. During the time where Evangelist Kobe and the Yakuzayan doing Zion ministry, they have problem with Matthias Ezako. He came out openly and give him support for this guy called Matthias Ezako. The same Matthias Ezako that most of those people that are doing Biafra agitation, that are fighting Christianity in Igbo land, are supporting him to write down, to be doing what he's doing in Igbo land. Now look at what the same Matthias Ezako write, because he have charity organization where they help other people that are sick, and most of 99% of people where they come from this organization are Igbos. Now he have come out to say that as long as you a Christian, before I help you, before you receive help from our organization, you must deny Christianity, you must deny Jesus and do a video before we help you. And the same people say that they're fighting Biafra freedom. So this is the way they want to give us our freedom to fighting Christianity in Igbo land. Have you seen what is going on? I've been saying this thing before, but now read what Matthias Ezako loads on his Facebook page yesterday. Read it, and this guy called Matthias Ezako is an Igbo guy. This guy called Matthias Ezako is an Igbo guy. He have charity organization called Igbo Love Yourself, where they are helping, maybe if you are sick or any kind of sickness, they will contribute money. Both Christians and tradition in Igbo land will contribute money to help that person. Now this guy said that he is no longer Christian. He burned his Bible and now return back to idolatry. That's not my business. You can worship anything that you decided to worship. Now this guy started a church, a traditional church. That's not my business. Now, the problem I'm having with some of my Igbo brothers and sisters, the problem I'm having with them is that some of them that are freedom fighters and now join this guy to fighting Christianity in Igbo land. Some of them that are coming out for Biafra liberation, both some that in Nigeria and some that outside Nigeria. Some of them do secret. Some of them come out openly and give their support to this guy. Now look at what this guy said, that if you want me to help you, maybe you are sick or you need help, and you must deny Jesus before I give you help. This is what he said. You people can read it. That any Christians, maybe you are Christian, you are sick, and you don't have money to treat yourself, and maybe somebody directed you to him. And if you come to me and you are a Christian, if you don't deny Jesus, I will not give you, I will not help you. That you will deny Jesus, they will video you after you deny Jesus. Now he will give you help. Do you see what is happening in Igbo land? That is Antichrist system. That is Antichrist. I told you people before that the same group that are sponsoring Francis and Boko Haram, that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria, are sponsoring some of those Igbos that are doing this in Igbo land. But some of you people may not believe me. They may not come out openly to give them support. They may use an Igbo man to be telling him to give this guy money, let him control what he's doing. Now, this is what I'm saying. So is it this how the Biafra will look like in Igbo land? Why I'm saying this thing? Because I want all these freedom fighters, Biafra, this thing, they should remove their mouth anything called religion. I say it how many times? Remove your mouth, focus on freedom fighters, focus on freedom fighters. Matthias Ezako may say what he want to say. Content creators may say what they want to say. Bloggers may say what they want to say. Anybody are free to speak, but as long as you're a freedom fighter, remove your mouth anything called religion in Igbo land. Some of you people do not believe what I'm saying. Even the other time I do a video on Simon Ekpa, I do a video. So the other time I do a video to Simon Ekpa during the time where Matthias Ezako and Zion ministry are having problem. And Simon Ekpa came out openly and do video, giving Evangelist Obi and Yakoza for 72 hours to release this guy. That means Simon Ekpa is giving 100 support for this guy. Now look at what he's saying. I want to ask all this Biafra agitation that is fighting Christianity in Igbo land. So this is how Biafra will look like. So that means this is going to Antichrist to fight against Christianity in Igbo land. To fight Christianity in Igbo land. Is it what your people are planning? To fight Christianity in Igbo land? I said it before. No human being on earth will stop Christianity in Igbo land. Christianity have come to stay. If you say it have come to stay, no human being on earth will wipe Christianity in Igbo land. And we are not forcing you to join Christianity. If you are decided to do, it's your business. If you decided not to do, it's your business. So now, have you people see what I'm warning? I'm saying, shouting. You're a freedom fighter. Remove your mouth. Anything called religion. Now you have seen what the Matthias says. You people are backing, supporting him, both physical and spiritual, both finance, both secret and openly. You people are supporting him, promoting him on your page as a Biafra freedom fighter. You people are supporting him. Now look at what he's saying to all the Igbo Christians. Because I told you before, 95% of Igbos are Christians. 95% of Igbos are Christians. So now, all our Igbo Christians that did help, if they will come to him, he will not help them. And some of them may die in their sickness. Yes. Some of them may die in their sickness. And the pastors, other ministers of God in Igbo land, they are helping both unbelievers, all the people, anybody, they are helping them. Some of our Igbo brothers and sisters and some of our ministers of God in Igbo land, even during Christmas period, some of them give help to everybody. Whether you, as long as you, whether you are Muslim, you are Christian, you are tradition, you will come and they will give you lice. Some of them, they are doing free medical treatment for free. If you come, they will do you lab and give you drug. People are doing it free. Some churches are doing those things. But why this guy are now saying this thing? Because Igbos, some of the freedom fighters are supporting him. So he's not saying that he have stand. That is what this guy is doing. So now all the Christians that are sick, that want him to help him, some of them may die. But the same Christian, in Igbo land, Igbo Christians and the ministers of God in Igbo land, Igbos, they are helping both traditional and Christians. So now I want you people to understand what I'm saying before. That the way I'm seeing this thing going on in Igbo land, it's terrible, it's terrible, it's terrible. And it's a very shameful thing to all the people that say that they are freedom fighters that are supporting this guy called Matthias. It's a very shameful thing to people. I warn you people, I told you people to remove your mouth, but you people don't want to remove. So that means that your agitation is so that means that what you people are doing is antichrist, is to fight Christianity in Igbo land. That is what you people are doing. You people are come out to fight Christianity in Igbo land. This is openly that you people are now against Christianity in Igbo land. Let me stop this message here. Watch my next video about this case. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother evangelist Igbo Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.